This is the most dangerous car in the world. It has a 47-litre engine that was made for aeroplanes, and it can go up to 200 kilometres per hour. But only one person has ever dared to go so fast in it. Meet Brutus. Brutus was born just before World War II with a 1907 fire engine. The driver sits directly behind the engine, which gives off a lot of heat. So you've got to be seriously brave to drive it. Occasionally, it's released for shows and events, but usually it's kept out of the way for the safety of everyone around. But what a machine it is! It spits so many flames, they even cooked a sausage with them. You'll find it in the Technik Museum in Germany, where it's taken care of and maintained.